Whenever you're ready.
I don't even know what to say to start with. Start again. Welcome everybody, Mrs Nunn here, ready for Friday's celebration assembly. We're going to do a celebration assembly every 2 weeks for you so that we can celebrate your successes and celebrate birthdays as well. It's a little bit different to have a birthday in a lockdown situation, so it would be nice for us all to celebrate together with you. We're going to start off with our celebrations and our stars of the week this week. It's been very difficult for your teachers to decide who would get Star of the Week. So some people have chosen more than one person, which I said was fine for this week. It's more of a special mention assembly than just Stars of the Week. So there are so many names for me to mention that I'm going to refer to my piece of paper and my list. So listen carefully to see if it's you this week, and if not, it might be you in the next 2 weeks. So keep working hard, keep being kind and doing all those helpful things to see if you can get a mention next time. Here we go. So in reception, we have Theo and Kiswa for always doing so much work and getting so much work onto Seesaw, and Alicia for working hard and being enthusiastic. Every time we see her, she's got a smile on her face. And for David, for his super storytelling, and Arushi for her great maths. In year 1, we've got Kieran, who's worked so hard and done an awful lot of work for Mrs. Pickett, and Zaid, who's been working very hard as well. In year 2, we've got Rahul, who's done a brilliant job of story retelling and put in his own version of it, and Alex, who's done some great maths and brilliant French. In year 3, we've got Ryan for his excellent maths, Olivia, who's been excellent with everything, Josh, James and Millen, who are busy completing extra challenges, and Henry, who is always so happy. He's joined in with the Skype calls and jollied everyone along. There's Dravian and Zach, who've done super work, but also helped with their brothers and sisters. And Ella and Harry, who've been determined to get everything done. So in year 4, there's Alex Shaw, who's done a brilliant piece of writing. I've read it, Alex, it's fantastic. Well done, keep it up. And Jonah, whose handwriting has improved so much. Mr. Tunnell's very proud of you. In year 5, there's Max, who's submitted so much work, everybody's super impressed, and Logan Clark, who's been doing super maths and trying really, really hard to get to Skype calls on time, be prompt and join in really well. In year 6, there's Abby, who joins in with Mr. Aileen's Skype calls, always has something to say and jollying people along. And in 6D, there's Henry Spence and Evie Williams, who've been absolute superstars with the amount of work that they've done and submitted it into Seesaw. Well done, all those people. Well done, everybody else as well. Let's see if your name can be in my special mention list next time. So we're also going to see who's got commendation badges this week, just like we normally do in a celebration assembly, and we have you all up the front, so we'll give you all a clap at the end. So commendation badges this week. A yellow badge goes to Amara, Zaid, Oscar, Kieran, Ava, Anaya, Thomas Westwood, Arav and Felix Green. Fantastic, well done those people for your yellow badges. A red badge goes to Rahul, Emmy, Arjun Patel, Luke, Krish, Alana and Zach. Fantastic for those red badges, keep up that good work. Blue badges to Olivia Cooper, Ava Dangerfield, Leah, Pradnia and Tom Reed. Fantastic, well done those people. Green badges, Josh Webber and Danielle. Bronze badge, Ash, Zach Deslanders and Amy Hall. Fantastic those people, keep up this good work. Silver badges, Jack Dangerfield, Devin, Logan Clark and Max. A gold badge to Isla, Alex Bird, Jack Kuipers, Nathan Madar. Yellow merit to Charlotte Hennigan. Red merit to Shreya Carr, Millie Kendall. And a green merit to Eve Fisher. Fantastic, everybody. Very, very well done. Give yourselves a round of applause. So, as I mentioned right at the beginning of my assembly, not only are we celebrating the good work and everything you've done, we're going to think about your birthdays today, which is different because school's gone into closure, and having a birthday in lockdown is a little bit different. Unique, so you think yourselves lucky that it's unique, and you can tell us all about it when you come back as to how you celebrated it. Did you celebrate it in a different way? So right from the closure, we're going to have a list of names of those people that have had their birthday, but we need to mention 3 people today because it's their actual birthday today, and that makes it really special. So a big shout out, a big happy birthday to Millie and Georgie Forster and Tom Reed. Happy birthday, you guys. Happy birthday, everybody that had their birthday during the lockdown while school's been closed up until now.
Sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. Oh, this is your birthday song. Oh, celebration all night long. Oh, may all your dreams come true. We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
That's all our celebrating done for today. But I also said we were going to talk about dreams and goals. What are your dreams and goals? What do you dream about? What do you think of for the future? I think one of my dreams at the moment is getting school back open so that I can see all of you again, so that we can go back to as normal as we can be and we can all be at school doing our learning again. What's a goal though? What goal might you set yourself? It might be a new target, a new challenge, something that you want to achieve could be your goal. It might be a goal for the future. It might be a goal for now. I think one of Mrs. Nunn's goals that she set herself, which was a huge challenge, was to be able to run a marathon. It took me a long time. I had to do lots of training. I had to keep practicing. I wasn't ever a very good runner, but I made sure that setting myself that challenge, I believed in myself that I would be able to run that marathon. And I did run a marathon. Not only that, I have run 2 marathons. And so that goal that I set myself, I made sure I achieved. So what goals might you set yourself? We're going to think about that now. So one of your goals might be to learn to juggle. So Mrs. Nunn's going to try, when you first start juggling, it's a good idea to start with scarves. So I'm going to show you how to start with the scarves to then move on to the balls. So here we go. I've had to practice a little bit, and when you're with your goals, you will have to practice. Practice makes perfect. You can see that. We'll take it straight out so she gets it. I have one more go, okay? You've got to keep practicing. When you've mastered the scarves, you might move on to using lemons, oranges or balls or something like that. And you might do it with just 2 balls first. I've got an assistant to help me, someone you might recognise. In you come, Mrs. Clark.
Thank you. Right, 2 balls. Try and keep it even to start with. Just like that. With 3 balls, 1, 2, 3, and stop. 1, 2, 3, and stop. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Then, try and think of it without counting. 3 balls. Keep nice and relaxed. Like that.
That was brilliant, Miss Clark, thank you very much. So maybe you might want to learn to juggle as your goal. So what are your dreams and goals going to be? I want you to think hard for the rest of the day and think of something that you would like to achieve, a challenge that you'd like to set yourself. Mrs. Nunn tried really hard to juggle with scarves. I'm going to try and get better at juggling. I'm also going to learn a little bit of sign language so that the next time I see you, I can say hello and how are you in sign language. That's a challenge that I've set myself. What will yours be? Let me know. Maybe email it in to me. Maybe send a picture. Maybe post something in messages or notifications on your Seesaw. Let me know what it's going to be. I look forward to finding out all about them. Stay safe. See you soon.